Coming up, we're making curry chicken back. Plus, I'm giving away 1,500 Jamaican dollar in Digicel or Flow credit in this video and in at least one video each month for the rest of 2022. Details coming up. So halfway in making this curry chicken back, I decided to add coconut milk because coconut milk tastes good with almost everything, right? We also know that the worst curry is the one that makes you hurry. So let's start by burning 2 tablespoons of curry in 2 tablespoons of heated oil. Quickly, I want to inform you of the seasoning I use. 2 teaspoons of Maggi all-purpose seasoning, 2 teaspoons of Maggi chicken seasoning, 1 teaspoon of EaziSpice chicken seasoning, half teaspoon of cayenne powder, half teaspoon of meat seasoning, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and half teaspoon of black pepper. For the green seasoning, I use onion, garlic, scallion, crushed pimento, and ginger. Season and left to marinate for at least half an hour or more. The longer the better. After burning your curry, which takes 30 seconds, add your chicken back and stir to get evenly coated. Close your lid and leave on low flame for 5 minutes for it to chump its own water. In the meantime, make sure to have a pot set aside with boiling water. After 5 minutes, resume and add your boiling water to the side and not directly on your meat. Cover and allow to cook. Check in on your pot every 10 minutes, stir and add more boiling water as needed to continue the cooking process. Now, half an hour in your cooking, add the magic twist. Yes, your coconut milk. A little more hot water and continue your cooking. Let me interrupt for that 1,500 credit top up for your Digicel or Flow phone. Just email me and write, send me that chicken back credit to bossladyvlog@gmail.com. I will pick the first 20 emails, shake it, and pick a winner. That winner will be contacted and I will send the credit to them. I will also pin a comment when we find a winner. Now, after 4 to 5 minutes in your cooking process, add your final ingredients: Irish potato, carrot, scallion, ginger, garlic, and pimento. Allow to simmer for another 20 minutes and voila! Alright, that too except do know. I'm serving my chicken back with corn dumpling and yam. And guys, look out for a video with the corn flour. It's coming up pretty soon. You could also have this chicken back with white rice, and I do have a video on this channel, so the link is in the description. You could also check it out for the perfect white rice. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for future uploads.